Array functions are so important because they summarize Airtable data in a simple way so that you can bring forth the most relevant information for your team. There are such a crucial concept for you to understand, and we'll go through all of the different array functions that are inside of Airtable. Last time we looked at array functions through our rollup fields in the context of looking at the assignees. We were in the projects table and we rolled up the assignees using an array unique formula. This time, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to create a new view. Just as a recap, array formulas can only be used as part of rollup fields. Previously, we used the array unique field to get the list of unique assignees associated with a project. Array compact is another helpful array formula because it removes the null values from your data. To demonstrate this, we're going to remove an assignee from our tasks table. You can see that one of the tasks assigned to Adam has been removed. I've also created an array compact field. This looks very similar to our lookup field. It's a nice thing to have because it doesn't contain an empty value. Next, I'll show you the difference when I create an array join field. In the array join, you can see that there's a task that has a missing assignee, and you can see that because there are 2 commas with nothing in between. And that's what happens when you join a list of items. It doesn't care if there's an empty value or not, whereas the array compact cares that there's an empty value and removes it. Array flatten is also helpful because it combines multiple lists and flattens them into one. It's helpful in scenarios where you might have multiple lists and you want to just create one list. The fun part about all of these rollup fields is that you can actually combine them as well. There are also instances where you'll want to combine multiple array formulas. In this example, I want both array unique and I also want to remove the empty value. So again, I'll create a rollup field. I started off with the array unique formula, and then I wrapped the array compact around it. So now I've got Adam and Lucy in a list. The difference between the original Adam and Lucy we had is when you just use the array unique formula, there's actually a hidden empty value in the middle. It's not being shown, but it's there. So sometimes when we want to be extra careful, you can combine multiple array formulas into one rollup field. We're done the demo part for the array formulas. These are, I think, a difficult concept to understand when you're first starting out with Airtable, but don't be afraid to try them out. Use them in a rollup field and try summarizing your information. You're going to come to love it, and just don't be afraid to try. Thanks for investing in your own knowledge base. I'm Cherry Yang, the founder of Claribase. We're going to be releasing our flagship course, Airtable Mastery, for free. In the course, you can find over 100 videos on topics like design, integration, automations, and interfaces. It's perfect for the Airtable champion who wants to build their database right the first time. You can sign up for the course at the link down below.